innovators, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shelly, and I appreciate you guys for stopping in. Today's video is going to be all about us fixing our hair, getting our hair all styled up with some clippings. Here I'm actually starting the process with me braiding my hair. For those persons that can't or don't know how to braid their hair properly, I know it could be a struggle at times. What I did is actually parted my hair freehand, so I didn't use any comb or anything because I didn't want to use much tension on my hair. Then afterwards I braided the first braid. I'm now I'm actually doing the second braid. So what I do is take 3 strands of hair and I actually loop one, and then the second one, and then third one, and then I just keep on going down until I reach to the end. Then I will go ahead and twist my fingers and my hands the other way, and so that that side is more comfortable for me to get it to stretch a little bit. Then I'll go ahead and right now I'm showing you that I'm actually parting another one. I did the rest off camera, and now I'm showing you where I actually braided the whole back part. So these are Dominican kinky curly hair clip-ins. 9 pieces came within the pack. It said that it was pre-dyed, and you actually could have pre-curled it, so you could have used a curling iron if you wanted to change the hair texture. What I'm doing now is basically taking the hair off of the pack so that we can prepare it to put it into our hair. Hold up. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? You reached this far within the video. Hey, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell. Click on the bell so whenever you click on the bell, it notifies you that I just upload another video. Yeah, so let's carry on. And what I did is it fluff the hair a little bit, and I'm showing you the tracks. The clips are already sewed to the tracks, sorry. And now I'm turning around, yes, so that you can see the perfect view of how I am going to clip those clip-ons onto the hair. Mind you, there are a lot of different ways you take put in clip-ins. For example, I could have take out the perimeter of my hair and then take the hair out and basically put the clip-ins in a circular motion, but I wasn't doing that because I didn't want to put my hair up in one. I just wanted the back down, and the top part I wanted to put it in a ponytail basically. So now I'm basically just taking the hair, and like I said, it was 9 pieces, so I think I put at the back part at least 6, yes, and the remainder of the 9 pieces went to the top. So now I'm turning around. I put a little bit of Royal Crown hair dressing, we call it grease, so that my hair would be at least my scalp would not be too dry, because the main reason for a protective style is to put your natural hair away for a little while so that it can actually stimulate some sort of growth. But if your hair or your scalp is dry, it won't grow. So you basically would be wasting your time putting your hair in protective styles. So you have to protect your natural hair, but you also have to leave your scalp moist. For example, think of your hair like a plant. If you don't water the plant, it do not what? It do not harm. It do not who? It doesn't grow. So we have to grow our hair, take care of our hair, love our hair, and the only way we can do that is by keeping it moist. Now I'm showing you the Xtreme gel that I'm using. If you're natural and you don't have this product within your collection, because we natural girls, we have a whole lot of we have a big collection, because we have so many things that so many different products that we try on our hair just to find that perfect line, that perfect one that goes well with our hair. The struggle is real. If the struggle is real for you and your hair, in the comment section right now, write down the struggle is real. So I love this product, and I got it from my local beauty supply store. I also got the hair from my local beauty supply store. The pack of hair was $24.99, and the styling gel was $2.99 plus tax, of course. So right now I'm using the remainder of the hair to clip in the top part of my hair so that I can actually have a ponytail. Who said if your hair short you can't have it in a who said what? Hey, ponytail, your girl got a ponytail. Ponytail, your girl got a ponytail. Ponytail. But yes, go ahead in the comment section. Let me know if you're transitioning, if your hair has already transitioned, how long is your hair, and if you have any goals for your hair. So basically what I'm doing right now is just doing a space bun. Tell me, who don't like a good space bun? Let me know, because I do. I love a nice space bun. So I'm going ahead right now and just, I don't want it to look perfect, because space buns aren't supposed to look perfect. It's supposed to look messy. So what I'm doing now basically is just fluffing my hair, because I love when my hair looks big and huge. Hey. Yeah, I love when my hair look big, guys. I'm actually putting a little bit more pins here. Thank you for watching. It's your girl, Shelly. I'll see you in the next video. And remember to remain beautiful. Comment, like, and subscribe. And